How to update Google Chrome to a latest version. Click on three dots on the top right corner and scroll down to the settings. On the left bar settings menu, scroll to the bottom and click on About Chrome. So as soon as you click on About Chrome, Chrome will start automatically updating if there is any update. You can see here my Chrome is updated and it's asking me to relaunch it so that update could get completed. So let's relaunch my Google Chrome browser. Again, click on relaunch. Now let's again go to the settings. Now go to About Chrome and you see Chrome automatically started checking for updates and it's showing that my Chrome is now up to date. The another simple and quick method to go to this setting update page, just copy this URL from the video description and paste it in your Google Chrome browser. This will directly take you to the update page. So that's it about today's simple video on how to update Chrome to latest version, or how do I know what version my Google Chrome have. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next one.